Hi, and thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple zipper bag with just the outer layer of the bag. So there is no lining in this project. It's simply just about attaching the tip zipper and how you can make a closed little bag. So very simple and a good start if you haven't worked with zippers before. I've got these two pieces of fabric and one zipper. And this is just a really old zipper I found in my stash. This fits approximately. You can see it's a bit shorter than the fabric, but that's okay because then this bag will just follow the size of the zipper, and yeah, there'll be a little bit of excess fabric from the actual squares that I've cut, but that's okay. And I have made a serger stitch on the edges of these two squares because there's not going to be any lining, so the raw edges won't be hidden, so that's why I had to do something about those raw edges. And the zipper has a front and a back, and we need always for the front of the fabric to be placed against the other front of the fabric, or in this case the front of the zipper. So I will take the zipper and place it here, so the front of the zipper is facing in towards the front of the fabric. And then I'll just use some pins to hold it in place. And then I'm going to stitch all the way here close to the zipper teeth, but not on top of the zipper teeth, of course, but just along this line. And you might want to correct your needle placement on your machine. So simply pull that towards the left as far as you can, or not pull it, but push it, use a button to get it towards the left, because then you can get it very close to the zipper teeth. That's a good idea. So I'll pop it into the machine, attach my needle, or adjust my needle all the way over to the left. And that is the first part of the zipper attachment done. And this is an old zipper that's been in a drawer, and it's not lying completely flat, but I will force it to be flat in a moment. So I will do that by popping it into the machine again, and then doing a stitch that presses the fabric down and holds it all in place. So when you look at it from the back, it will be pushed down like this. That looks really good. So the zipper is being pushed towards the back, the fabric is more flat, and now it's just about attaching the zipper, the other side of the zipper, to the other part of the fabric. So again, fabric facing towards the front, and then the zipper just as I put the other one on, and then I can kind of see, do these parts of the fabric, are they aligned? And yes, they are. And then it's again stitching really close towards the zipper teeth all the way along. So stitching here all the way into the machine. The exact same thing as for the other one. So this is the zipper attached to the two pieces of fabric, and then to actually close up the bag I need to open up the zipper like this and then make these fabric pieces align up against each other. And I'll just clip them or pin them together like this. And it's super important that you remember to keep the zipper open, because if not, it's going to be quite hard to open your bag afterwards. And then there's the last bit of sewing that needs to be done. So you simply stitch all the way along here and down along the bottom and up on the side here. And because it's quite a small zipper, then it's not a problem that you're going to get into the zipper teeth, because we can see where they are and we're going to stitch right on the outside of the zipper teeth. So just be careful if you had a longer zipper to not actually stitch into that. And now we've got a cute, very little simple zipper bag, and there are lots of other techniques you can use, and you can really do some very nice finishing touches on when you put in a zipper. But this is just to show you how to perhaps begin with it, and then you can always learn more later and perfect all your skills. But this also looks quite good as it is. That's a very very nice looking little zipper bag or purse or toiletry thing or whatever you want to call it. I hope that you will now dare to put in a zipper if that's something you haven't tried before. Just be aware of the zipper teeth and the needle in your machine. Don't let them go too close to each other, because the needle can break or will bend, and that's just not good for the machine. But just be careful and use this technique, and then you have a way to start. Thanks for watching.